I'll never cry now. My heart's completely numb, but I do feel the hate. The rage that pumps my blood, and all I know is anger. A danger to myself, but even worse to others. I seem to hate you, but love to hate me. Intoxicate my body, separate my soul, destroy myself is my only goal. My love will melt the ice, my life will melt the ice. Don't have taken life, I left the bleeding conscious, and I was well aware. I never really cared. I lived these distant dreams of summer electric chairs. She left me lying there young and so unprepared. I never met my kids, I never seen the beach. I pulled my hand back when God tried to reach. I never was a child, I never was free. I never loved that bitch, she never knew me. I gave my life through time, I tried to fight this maze. I never felt this way, I never seen those days. And it's the truth, how I felt for you. Fuck love and everything I'm going through. Cause right now, I'm at the end of it all, chasing the silhouette straight down the hall now. Nobody knows me, I'm so forgettable. The child of misery and missing memories. I cried serenity in summer tree. I fell asleep there and never woke again. I never woke again. I never woke again. I never woke again. I wish I was free. How can I change this? I just can't escape my life and death switch. I wish I wasn't me. How can I change this? I just can't escape my life and death switch. I wish I was free. How can I change shit? I just can't escape my life and death switch. I wish I wasn't me. How can I change this? I just can't escape my life and death switch.